Do you like risky investment plays? Here's one called PEIPEI. It's the Chinese version of PEIPEI. Personally, I'm not the biggest fan of PEIPEI because it's just a green frog and doesn't do anything. But when I saw the Chinese version of it, oh, that was kind of funny. I think when the election cycle is going to start, I mean, it's starting already, but when more and more hype is around that and they eventually select Donald the Man Trump as the next president again, anything that has to do with China is going to do really well. This was, I think, one of the first, if not the first, Chinese version of any coin. It's also performing far better than Bitcoin and the entire alt market. And if you've seen since the launch, it only did like a 4 or 5x so far. But I'm pretty sure with 420 trillion and 69 billion tokens, this can go really well. Now, when China is annoying again and is talking with the US and they're doing all the election things, then this will do really well. The volume is 130% of the market cap, which is insane. And for that, it's in the top 70, while the market cap for this is in the top 410. That's a really good sign. Also, most of the tokens are in supply already. This is great. Now, it's mostly in Uniswap. You can also get it on Gate, Maxi, it's some other sites down there. So on Binance yet, a lot of Kraken. But the way this presents itself, I'm pretty sure this is going to make a really easier return fairly soon, so that PEIPEI over here becomes PEIPEI, and we get some of the billions of dollars in here, sell to 4 billion, and put them into PEIPEI, and make this at least like 500 million. It shouldn't be too difficult for this to do like a 7x or so to 500 mil, and I wouldn't be surprised if it does even more. I mean, if you look at the percentage, right, 16% of the market cap is in volume for PEIPEI, and this one is at 140%. Therefore, because I'm correct, it has to do well, right? So take out a loan from the bank, buy it right now, and then when you double your money in the next week, you can pay back the loan with interest, everybody's happy, and you're not a financial advisor. Perfect. That's a career we always wanted to have. Also, once Bitcoin hits 70k, 80k, 100k again, it's not that difficult for anything else in here to outperform the market of all. I mean, I talked about Mantra before, but if it is at 90 cents, and it kind of ignores the Bitcoin sentiment and if it goes down or not or whatever, and it's simply based on the narrative and the hype behind it, then this, as well as other meme coins and altcoins, can get a whole bunch of the profit people take from the top 10 coins in order to increase their market cap. Also, once Elon finally makes Dogecoin, not just the top 10 coin, but like a top 2 coin or so, with a market cap of 100 billion, which will probably happen eventually, and he integrates it completely into X and he can use it for everything, memes are going to fly a lot. And let him just 200 million in here, it wouldn't even change the price of Dogecoin much. If 200 million goes into PEIPEI, because it's funny, that would 3x the market cap. It would 4x the market cap actually. And that's just 200 billion. And there's still 16 billion left. There's so much money in memes that it can be easily distributed to other meme coins that are further down the line. And for that, I vote for PEIPEI. I hope I get 5 social credit points for this video. And if I do, I might even give away 1 single social credit point to you guys. From that, link down below, like, comment, subscribe, all of that. As a general advice when it comes to crypto, especially in meme coins, always take a trading pair or take the contract address and go to a site like Bex Tools or Dex Screener and look up how things perform. You can see real-life data for absolutely everything. Let's say, for example, you want to have a little pump on Solana and you want to look into the different details. You can see the market cap of 1.5 mil on the right-hand side, the liquidity, the performance over the past 24 hours, 6 hours, 1 hour for this 5 minutes, every single transaction down here for how much money people bought this for. This looks like a giant bot, by the way. If 20 seconds ago, everybody bought this for like 1 cent, but whatever. It is additional volume when it comes to this. Maybe it just boosts the token up here. You never know. Most of the time when things are trending, it's probably too late to get in because they have the initial run-up and then you're just being exited with a but it's still a good way to look for things. Option number 2 is if you're into things that are launching right now, go on to Pink Sale and then select your chain in the top right where you can use, you can connect your Phantom for Solana, you can use the one in Smart Chain. There are lots of different coins that are launching every single day. We can participate in the pre-sale. You see the current amount of money that is in there, the hard cap, the soft cap, all the details we know. And then once the token is live, you can claim it, it gets deposited into your wallet, and you can start trading, which also can mean that you will most likely use your money. as that is what is happening fairly often. But then again, you could also hit a home run, and you could also hit this at a $100,000 market cap, and then get like a 50x in year that goes to 5 million. It's all random, but those are two sites that I'd personally use.